morning, not much. It's actually a very quiet 5 handles. There's not really much going on within the market, and subsequently we expect today to be a fairly tight range today, mostly due to the fact that during earnings season, we're getting deep into earnings season. During earnings season, there's usually not a lot of earnings Monday morning. So they kind of give you Monday if you were, I guess, away for the weekend. They give you Monday to get back into it. There's a lot of earnings Monday night, and there's a lot of earnings Tuesdays. Tuesdays are usually big earnings days. Wednesdays are big earnings days. So tonight we've got Apple after the close. So the Nasdaq, obviously, as well as a lot of other market-related stuff, is going to wait for Apple to take bigger moves. So they're not going to do very much. They can use it as an excuse. Number one. Number two is tomorrow you've got a lot of regional banks and Dow components, Coke, Caterpillar. There's a lot of things that are going to come out that would affect the Dow. So Dow, has another reason not to do anything. And the third you can discuss, which is the fact that, we're in a close range to the pivot on the downside. The market doesn't want to kill it 200 points today and then have a tough week all week, because then who knows what could happen. So, all that being said, it's a light morning. Look to the fact that we're opening up. I'm probably going to short the gap up for a bunch of things, at least see what I can get off. If we do take a slow move up, I'll probably start again shorting the things that I think are there that are out of whack. Maybe short the weakness or short the big gaps. Either way, and I'm going to look not to get hurt, and B, start looking for things that are setting up for a big play tomorrow. So I'm going to look at some things that have earnings tomorrow, and if I see that they're reacting poorly, then I'll probably take those as well. So I'm going to look at the Cokes and the Cats and the Apples, and I'm going to see if they're trading like Apple's trading down today. If Apple does trade down the day before earnings, which is not something it uncommonly does, usually does that, then today might be a good day to have Apple on the short side, making sure you don't take it home, but to have it on the short side for some of those moves. Same holds true with Cat and Coke and State Street and Regions and a bunch of the financials, CM, Comerica. All these guys have earnings tomorrow. I'm also looking towards the commodities. Although they're really not doing very much, oil had a very big run up last week. If these guys do gap up, I will use the gap up to short them.